Psychological effects. Perception. 2. Visual capture. In this scene, you will feel that the doll is talking, not a person. In psychology, visual capture is the advantage of vision over other sensory modalities in creating perception. In this process, vision affects other parts of the somatosensory system to result in a perceived environment that is not congruent with the actual stimuli. Through this phenomenon, the visual system is able to ignore other information being conveyed by a different sensory system and provide a logical explanation for any output provided by the environment. Visual capture allows people to interpret the location of sounds as well as the sensation of touch, not really rely on these stimuli, but rather creates an output that allows the individual to perceive a coherent environment. An example of visual capture is known as the ventriloquist effect, which refers to the perception that speech sounds come from a direction different from its true direction, due to the influence of visual stimuli from the apparent speaker. Thus, when the ventriloquism illusion occurs, the speaker's voice is visually captured at the location of the dummy's moving mouth, rather than the speaker's carefully unmoving mouth. Venus effect. The Venus effect is a phenomenon in perception psychology, named after various paintings of Venus gazing into mirrors. When you see Venus looking in the mirror, the image in the mirror should be you, not her. But paintings and movies are often framed this way. This is called intuitive physics. While observers see Venus' face in the mirror, they are not directly behind her. Therefore, what Venus sees in the mirror cannot be the same as what the observer sees. It would be more logical if the audience concluded that Venus was looking at their reflection, or in the case of the original setting, the painter's reflection. This series of studies highlights that most people may hold beliefs that are inconsistent with observable phenomena. This field is known as naive physics or intuitive physics. This psychological effect is often used in movie theaters. The actor is clearly looking at himself in the mirror. What the audience sees is different from what the actor sees, because the camera is not directly behind the actor. But the actor's position is usually chosen so that his or her image is well framed in the camera's mirror.